name is Judith. Welcome back again to Jessie Cuisine. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can make a complete, delicious breakfast parfait. Let's get started. For this breakfast, this is all the ingredients I am going to use to make it. I have some pineapple and apple, blueberries and strawberries. You can use any fruit you like. I also have some granola, a glass of orange juice, a non-fat yogurt, and some honey. As you can see, I am going to start with the yogurt, like 4 tablespoons. And then honey. You can put like 2 tablespoons of honey for and then mix it. Okay. I am going to put a layer of yogurt into the glass. A layer of granola. Pineapple. Blueberries. Another layer of yogurt. Strawberries. Okay. This breakfast parfait is very delicious and it's full of vitamin. You can have it with a glass of orange juice. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.